How to change language on Deribit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to change to your preferred language in the deribit.com website using your computer or your laptop. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop. Inside the web browser, type in deribit.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Deribit, where you need to log into your existing account by entering your login credentials. Once you're logged into Deribit, go to the upper right corner and then mouse over to the settings drop-down. Now from the menu, click on the language option, which is English in my case. Now go ahead and scroll through the language selector option and tap on any language you want to change to. Soon after you click on one of the languages, the website will refresh and the page will refresh automatically in the selected language. You can always get back to the same menu if you ever want to change your language preference again. So that's it. That's how you easily change between language preference in the deribit.com website. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.